last couple of weeks on the southern tip of Vancouver Island, the herring spawn's been going on. The herring spawn brings in all kinds of sea creatures and birds and you name it, like, seagulls, of course, salmon, and sea lions, killer whales, and actually elephant seals. And Emerson is an elephant seal. He's been down here gorging himself, and he's put on like 200 pounds in the last month or so to prepare himself to having his molt, his yearly molt. And apparently he picked a nice little piece of land down here to have his molt on, down off the gorge. So we're going to wander down and have a look. He was on the news last night. He's quite famous. So let's just go down and see if we can find him too. Could be really interesting. Now this is just a lovely walkway down along the gorge down here. And as you can see, there's some kayakers coming up the gorge here. Just a great place for recreational kayaking and canoeing, boating, rowing. Absolutely incredible walkway along here too. Easy to walk. Wheelchair friendly. Lots of benches to sit at, and lots of people just out for their morning walks. Now, just a little background on Emerson. He was born January 31st, 2022 in Deception Pass in Washington State. Yeah, just down by Tacoma, Washington. And elephant seals do a yearly molt. And last year he visited us, and he came up and he was on a beach in Oak Bay. I remember when he was here last year. So he's he likes Victoria. So he comes back every year to have his molt. Apparently Emerson is very popular with people too, and he's a people person. When he was born in a park down there in Deception Pass, and he was tagged right away. But he was used to people right from when he was a pup. Not to saying you should get close to him. He's still a wild animal. But people don't seem to bother him. I know last year when he was at Oak Bay, people went down and visited him every day, and he couldn't care less. I hope he's like that today. I don't want to have a grumpy 500-pound elephant seal. For an elephant seal to molt, it usually takes 4 or 5 weeks. So basically he'll just lie there. He looks like he's asleep. And apparently it's quite painful for them to go through a molt. So, he could be grumpy. So if you go down to have a look at him, just keep your distance and be very, very quiet. And of course, keep your dogs away. I'm sure the dogs would love to play with him. All right, let's go see if we can find this big guy. Hope he's in a good mood.
Take a picture?
Not yet. Going down.
Yeah, he's still there.
He'll be there for...
I see.
Yeah, he's going to be there probably for a month.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Takes about 4 to 5 weeks for them to molt.
Okay.
Yeah, I remember when he was...
They beach themselves to...
Yeah. He was at Willows Beach last year.
Okay.
Yeah, he was quite popular down there.
I bet.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll go have a look.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, he's straight up ahead here. He's just relaxing in the sunshine this morning. They've got him well coned off here so he could relax and just enjoy the sun and go about his molt. Morning, Emerson. How you doing? All right? Good. You tired? Oh, yeah.
really relaxed.
Yeah, no doubt.
Yeah, he'll be like that for a month.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, as soon as you guys finish with his molt, he'll be gone. He put on about 200 pounds just
to do this.
just to do this, yeah. I feel like I could have a molt pretty soon too.
I'm getting ready.
Yeah.
Oh.
He gets quite itchy too, so. Well, that was kind of cool. Let Emerson get back to molting. And talking to so many nice people down here. They come down and they've got great respect for the wild animal. That's great. But some people let their dogs get a little bit too close, so not good. All right, I'm going to start wandering back now. What a beautiful park this is. They got some nice flower beds up here too, so maybe we'll check a few of those out on the way back up to the car. We have an otter out there. Looks like he's got a herring right now. He's quite happy out there. He's a ways off, but yeah, lots of wildlife along the shoreline here. Well, that was my little walk along the gorge to go down and find Emerson and pay him a little visit. I'm glad I did it. It's starting to cloud over. We're supposed to get rain now again for another day or so, and then it's supposed to clear up and be really nice again. It's quite warm out. It's about 12 degrees Celsius, and it's a nice day for a walk, especially seeing some wildlife and joggers. Well, get out there, enjoy these parks, stay safe, and bye for now. Yep, getting windy.